guys, it's Rolando Gaming's Vlogs, back with a new video. No, not wait, no, don't. Yeah, everyone, that's not snow. People on the, move your head, I can't see. That's not snow. People on the internet. Look, hello. Wow, it's cool, everyone. Look, look, look. Look, guys, look, it's Santa Claus. You'll see him. Ah, it's fireman.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, look, Santa. Everyone, you can pause this video when you see Santa pass by. And look, guys, you can look at him one more time. All right, one more time, guys. Merry Christmas to you. Can we follow, Mom? All right. We'll be right back, guys. We're gonna see him again. Look, it's Santa Claus again. Let me open my window. Oh, copyright! Ah! Copyright! Copyright! Ah! 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 Look, guys, firefighters. Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas to you guys.
Alright, let's go home.
Look, it's Santa Claus. You can pause this video and watch. Wow, that's amazing, everyone. This is my second outside video. You guys can rewind that again. Alright. We're done. Alright, I'm turning the car, guys.